Welcome back to Motorcycle Brothers. Today we have a special episode doing finally the braking period is over. So I was able to test the motorcycle and use the whole power. I hope you like it. Finally, after the braking period, I was able to speed the bike up to 125 miles per hour. Kids, please don't do this at home, okay? You gotta do this responsibly with the right equipment. And I feel the bike really smooth, fast, quick. And I really enjoy being able to see the speed on the digital dash versus when I'm riding on an old bike, I don't really see where I'm going, where the speed is going, so I have an idea. And then when I stop, I see, okay, I was going at 120 miles per hour. So that is easy. I can control and see and feel the speed in a different way. Motorcycle riders enjoy riding, but when you add the perfect weather and fall colors and gray sights, make the riding experience remarkable. Like I said before, the Kawasaki Ninja ZX10R is my favorite bike compared to other Japanese brands, with the exception of the H2. The bike is very smooth, quick to accelerate, has a good brakes that feel right for the bike, and has great technology. And after riding a distance of 150 miles, while I was doing this video, I cannot complain of any pain or discomfort with the riding position. I follow the braking period instructions, which for many will be hard to keep low speeds and low RPM for the first 400 miles. But I always look at the bigger picture and take care of all blessings I have on my hands. 1000cc is not a beginner's bike. 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.91 seconds or going to the speed limit of 190 miles per hour is not a joke. I was very immature when I started riding in 1996. Most of the times, no helmet, no jacket, no gloves, and few times not even shoes. Yes, you're right, I was crazy and rebel, and thanks God Almighty, I did not have any major accidents. Now the passion continues, and I follow few simple rules, like no alcohol or drugs, and I do not have anything to prove to anybody with my bike, and I have no need to go to the max speed on my bikes like before. I just enjoy riding. Thank you for watching Motorcycle Brothers. I really want to thank all the viewers and subscribers from India, Japan, United Kingdom, and around the world. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.